number 5 will also deny that he entered into the bedroom or into the room belonging to Gwabini at the hostel in the presence of Constable SS Zungu.
My Lord, that's not true, because like I said, in addition to Constable Zungu, you have to look at Gwabeni, what he says in his statement, but also HH and JJ places accused 5 at some meeting room. I'm just not sure whether it's his room or Gwabeni's room, but there was a room that was used prior to the killing of the deceased in this matter.
Accused number 5, thank you, Madam. Accused number 5 will further deny that he discussed, he planned, together with all the 4 accused who are before this court, the killing of the deceased at Basotho Hostel on the 26th of October 2014 in the room as it has been said before this court.
My Lord, that's not what the evidence revealed. The evidence revealed that there was a meeting on the 26th of October 2014 at the hostel. That's where the coming together of the accused is picked up. They left together. The deceased was then killed. They went back to the said hostel. You find that, like I said, my Lord, in Exhibit HH and JJ. You find that also in supporting statements. What you also find, my Lord, is that in Exhibit JJ, allegations are made that the trigger point of this whole thing is Miss Kelly Khumalo. In support of that, you then find the communication that was picked up by the cell phone analyst with regard to the calls that were made on the 2nd of August 2014 that links now accused 5 to Miss Kelly Khumalo, and the 15th of August 2014. So the last call of the 15th of October, my apologies, my Lord, the second call of the 15th of October 2014, it's about 11 days before. That is the one that we could account for. It's 11 days before the incident took place. And this call was recovered on deleted items of Miss Kelly Khumalo. In other words, there was an effort or an attempt to delete this number, but the analysts were able to recover it. And that number then was linked then to accused number 5.
At all.
My Lord, lastly, it was further, it is because it's contained in HH and JJ that the last amount, I do recall that the last amount of 30,000 as a payment for this contractual killing that was given to accused number 2 was given by accused number 5 according to Exhibit HH and JJ. That is the amount of 30,000 that was added to the 15,000 that he initially received at the hostel.
But that evidence, Brigadier, is inadmissible against accused number 5. You know that. You're doing LLB degree.
Yes, my Lord, but like I said, it is admissible insofar as there is consent, but there is, I'm referring to the correlation of events, because I'm being told there's a denial, and I'm saying that cannot be true because of the following reason. And that's all that I'm putting it, my Lord.
Okay,
but I also know, my Lord, sorry to come in.
Please don't be long.
Yeah, no, I won't be long. But I also know, my Lord, that, and I've said this before, that should accused 2 take a stand and confirm.
No, you cannot say that.
Can I finish?
You cannot say that. Please.
My Lord, I was asked if I know the position of the confession, and I'm saying I'm aware that it's not admissible, but I'm also aware that should accused 2 take a stand and agree to what is contained in that confession, that can be used as evidence against the accused. I also know that.
That's a
I'm being asked what I know.
That's a speculation, Kininda. That's a speculation.
My Lord, I'm being asked as to what I know, my Lord.
These are legal concepts, and Brigadier Gininda is right. There's authority to, to that effect.
Okay, can I move on with the version?
Yes, my Lord.
Because otherwise we'll be arguing on nothing and waste the court's time. The next version for the accused is that the accused will deny that he ever drove the Polo motor vehicle as referred to on the 26th of October 2014 to the crime scene, which is at Fos Loras, Hutlwanong Street, when the incident took place in this matter.
My Lord, Exhibit HH and JJ says he drove the vehicle. He was the one that was guarding the vehicle. He drove the getaway car. He remained in the vehicle when the incident was committed, and he drove the vehicle back to Basotho Hostel.
Okay. Accused number 5 will also deny that he ever agreed with the 4 accused together with Ms. Kelly Khumalo to commit the offense in the furtherance of the common purpose in this case.
My Lord, like I said, the evidence in the docket says otherwise. The first part of Ms. Kelly Khumalo, there is communication links on those dates that indeed he spoke to Ms. Kelly Khumalo. The accused, all of them, this is now accused 5 with the other 4 accused, are placed at Basotho Hostel, my Lord, by the witnesses I've referred to, Zungu, Kwabeni, and in addition, what is contained in the 2 exhibits prior to the commission of this offense, they left together with that understanding that they are going to kill the deceased. It was discussed at the hostel. There was a clear understanding that when they are going there, the deceased will be killed. They departed. There was a struggle. Indeed, the deceased was shot. They came back, my Lord. When they came back, it is contained also in the statements that accused number 1 was the first to announce in the celebration that they've heard that the deceased has been killed. It is contained in the evidence, my Lord, in the statements, and in the statement of Zungu, Zungu being Kwabeni now, where assertions are made that he was even shocked because it was before they could hear this thing on the news that now Senzo Meiwa has been killed. So that assertion will not be correct, my Lord.
Furthermore, accused number 5 will tell this court that he never received any money from Kelly Khumalo, and he never paid any of the accused, or he never gave any money to any of the accused.
That's not correct, my Lord. The statement, the evidence rather that we've got, and I can that's why I will refer specific to HH and JJ, is that accused 2 received the 30,000 at least, because that I recall from accused number 5. And I've said, my Lord, that it will make no logic. I've said it yesterday, that if people are acting in common purpose, others will receive money and others will not receive money.
Is that a speculation, or is the evidence before this court that others received money and others did not receive?
My Lord, I've said logic. I think
that's
how I phrase it, my Lord. I didn't say it's evidence before court. I said logic, to me at least, will dictate that if people act in common purpose and we have evidence that others receive money, it will not make sense, my Lord, that others will not receive. And I'm saying logic to me, my Lord. Okay.
Unfortunately, Brigadier, that logic is not the evidence before this court.
But, my Lord, I thought the 2 confessions were admitted by the court, and if they are, it is contained there that accused 2 received the 30,000 from accused number 5. It's contained in exhibit HH and JJ.